This, and to think that there's people out there that believe that working on drum brakes is easier than disc brakes. Squeezing in some calipers, sometimes gotta rotate them in if they're the rear calipers, and changing some pads. How? I just can't understand it. Just can't get it. Alright, let's get this shit done. Well, that's the life around here, working on a Ford. These lovely Ford problems. You know how it is. Hasn't been on the road since '99, and it still runs fine because it's built Ford tough.